In this video, I'll show you how to find the fuse boxes, because there's two of them in your Acura ILX. So I suggest you get one of these flathead screwdriver, and we need to remove this panel in the driver's side. The fuse box is down below there. You may not need any tool. Take your hands and stick them under the dash like this and pull on it. It's held by clips. You won't break anything. Okay, so once you unclip all the clips, you don't need to remove the whole panel, just this side. Squat, and you're gonna see the fuse box is right over there. It's a bit hard to access. I don't know why they put it there, but yeah, these are all your fuses from the interior fuse box. For the other one, you need to pop the hood. And by the way, to put back this panel, you just have to align the clips and tap, okay, until they clip back. That's the secret. All right, let's go to see the other fuse box that is under the hood. So in this car, the battery has been removed, as you see, but the fuse box is on the right side. You see, there's a box there. In this case, the lid has been removed, but overall, the lid is held by two clips. You just need to push these two things and lift the lid. It will unlock it. And just like that, you're gonna have access to the exterior. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.